Hey guys, want to bring you another YouTube video of an unboxing. I'm going to show you the box is kind of big. The Dyson Slim Ball Animal. So we actually got this as part of a Black Friday special at Home Depot. It was $1.99. It's no longer there, but I just recently received it. So I'm going to do the unboxing and show you what's in it. This is actually our second Dyson. Because the first one failed, and we actually got it at Costco. It was a lot more expensive than this one, unfortunately, and we didn't register it. So I think this time around we're going to definitely make sure we register this Dyson, so that way if we have the same issue, it won't happen again. Because they have a longer warranty too. I believe it's a 5-year warranty. So here's that brush. See that? Plus small pieces, looks like. Alright, next one. This is a spindle brush. Attachment. Okay. All different pieces. Alright, another attachment. Looks like this is for the handle. Yeah, the last one stopped working really. It wasn't picking up on our carpet, so it was still doing the hardwood floor, but because this price was pretty great, we sold the previous one on, or the one that works really well on the hardwood floor for 40 bucks. So it kind of recouped some of the cost for this one. This one goes to the front of the handle right here, you can see. Definitely, this unboxing is definitely a lot more pieces than normal. If you've ever had a vacuum cleaner or dealt with, you can see that there is more pieces or attachments. Another attachment. Okay. So definitely need to put it together. It shouldn't take that long. It's a big base. Definitely looks like my old one. Hopefully this one will last longer than the last one. So this is what you definitely want to do. Last time we did not. We just figure it's a Costco product, so usually you have a longer warranty. And just thought we're not going to have any issues, and especially we've heard good things about Dyson. Again, I don't know if we had lemon. We figured, I mean, when it did work, it worked really well. But hopefully this is not another lemon, and we're going to cover the base by activating the warranty this time. And Home Depot doesn't have like a great warranty or return policy compared to Costco, so we figured give it another shot, especially at this price. You cannot beat that. And that's it. yeah, last time it took probably about 10 minutes to put everything together. With you saw how many pieces there are overall. So hopefully you did like the video. To see what's in the attachment. Again, there's a lot of pieces with this. So go ahead and like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hopefully this helped. Hit that thumbs up button so that way more people could see it. Again, together we could build better tomorrow. All right, thanks.